Hello and a warm welcome. This is the early trades here on Calkine TV. Australian shares are expected to end the week on a strong note following robust overnight trades on Wall Street. However, the S&P ASX 200 did open lower today, dropping 14 points or 0.21% after setting a new 20-day high. Thursday saw the share market ending higher, with the benchmark S&P ASX 200 gaining 0.52% or 35.1 points to the end of the day. And today in the first session, the bottom performing stocks in this index were transport service provider and tourism operator Kelsian Group, which was down 4.81%, and regenerative medicine company Mesoblast down as well, around 4%. Over the past week, the index has gained 2.64%, but is still down around 8.92% for the year to date. And looking at some stocks today making a buzz in the opening session. First up, General Insurance Group Insurance Australia today announced its preliminary financial results for the year ending June 30 and financial year 2023 guidance. The company reported net profit after tax of $347 million as compared to $427 million of losses in financial year 21. IAG's Managing Director and CEO Nick Hawkins said in the release that its preliminary 2022 financial results reflect high natural perils and volatile investment markets. IAG has also strengthened its reserves following adverse experiences in the commercial liability portfolio from prior accident years. And the company will announce its final audited financial year 2022 results on the 12th of August. And today in the opening session, Insurance Australia Group was trading at $4.16, down about 2.46%. Next up, the brick manufacturer Brickworks today announced the launch of the Brickworks Manufacturing Trust, which is a new joint venture manufacturing property trust with the commercial and industrial property group Goodman. It will initially house a portfolio of 15 manufacturing plants tenanted by the company's Australian building products businesses. Brickworks will retain 50.1% ownership of the new trust, with the remaining 49.9% interest sold to Goodman. The gross value of the Brickworks Manufacturing Trust assets of $416 million represent a premium of $280 million. And this morning, the company was trading at around $20.70, up 2.83% in the early trading session. Then finally, an emerging lithium boron supplier, Ioneer, has announced that it's signed a binding offtake supply agreement with global automaker Ford Motors. Under this agreement, Ioneer will supply Ford with lithium carbonate from its project in Nevada. Ford intends to utilize Ioneer's lithium carbonate to produce batteries for use in Ford's EVs through Blue Oval SK, which is a joint venture between the South Korean electric vehicle battery maker SK On and Ford. And today in the early trading session, Ioneer was trading at 55 cents, up over 11%. Now, before we wrap up the show, let's have a quick look at some of the gainers and decliners from the opening trading session. First up, the gold ore mining company Ramelius Resources was up 3.43%, and a similar player, Gold Road Resources, up as well 3.37%. Then the battery materials and tech company Novanix climbed at 3.21% higher, and another gold ore mining player, Evolution Mining, was up as well 2.56%. Then on the flip side, looking at the decliners today, apart from Kelsian and Mesoblast, pizza chain Domino's Enterprises was down at 2.43%, and then the agribusiness company Elders slid as well at 2.3% in the opening session on Friday. All right, that is a wrap for this edition of the Early Trades. Stay tuned for more on Calkine TV because we have many more shows lined up. I'm Holly Shields signing off.